Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be hopefully a very quick unboxing. My best friend sent me two care packages, one for my birthday and a snack box. And I opened it and she just sent me so many good things. I just wanted to share them with you, and I wanted to film this video because I want to eat and use everything that she got me. So the first box is this, and the other box is literally twice the size, but I'm not going to show you that box because she put my address all over it. So I didn't have it in me to cover it. And yeah, so we're gonna start with the snack box, and there's going to be quite a few things that I'm going to be eating very, very soon. So the first thing that she got me are my spicy noodles. I love these spicy noodles. This one and the cheese one are my two favorites, but I couldn't find these for a while and she knew that, so she found them for me. And I did recently get them. If you guys watch my videos, I did recently get them, but these are really, really good. I wasn't sure if I updated you guys on that, but these are really, really good. It's got a little bit of a sweet, cheesy taste to it. It's really hard to explain because I feel like every time people explain it that way, it doesn't really sound that appetizing, but it's really good. So it's good. And the next one is another pack of ramen. I've never heard of these. I've never tried these, but they are cheese ramen, and I absolutely love cheese. So I am really, really excited about this. This doesn't say that it's spicy anywhere. So yeah, this is good for those days where I don't really want anything spicy, but I mean, I do like spicy, but sometimes you don't want something spicy. So I'm definitely going to be trying that one very, very soon. I saw that she also snuck in this cute little The Child Nightlight. This is just so cute. Literally, it's so cute. Yeah, this is cute. I like this. Cute. Okay. Next thing that she got me are these Amber Ginger Rock candies. I love ginger candies. I rely on ginger candies because some of my pills make me nauseous. I get migraines and I get nauseous from migraines. I mean, ginger candy is just perfect for when I feel really kind of terrible, and I've never tried these, so I am pretty excited about this. I wanted to try these right now, but after I film this video, I'm gonna go and eat. So I will wait, but I'll let you guys know how they are in a Friday video. But really excited to try those. And then she also sent me another set of ginger candies. These are honey ginger, and these are more on the chewy side. So this one is hard candies, which I haven't found a good hard ginger candy that I've liked. So I'm really hoping that these are good. So, but these are little chewies, and I do prefer chewies. I've just still been looking for hard candies because Florida's heat just melts everything, and chewies are just it's not cool. And then these are the last snack in here, and these are spicy crispy ramen snacks. I love ramen snacks, like love ramen snacks. I love ramen in general, so this was such a perfect box. So now moving on to the second box. This has a bunch of other things. There's no snacks in this one, but this box I'm so excited about everything in here. So she did individually wrap up things for me. The first thing that she got me is this giant Starbucks cup. I love the Little Mermaid. I love mermaids, and this was just so cute, so perfect. I've been looking for a cup that I can just keep in here and just fill it up with water because I constantly have all these bottles everywhere, and this is seriously just so huge, so pretty. I just absolutely love it. Love it. And then this is what I'm talking about, some very thoughtful gifts. So she sent me, these are Buggy Beds Mosquito Repellent Bands. I get bit like crazy. So apparently these little bands, they have that, I can't pronounce the citron, I can't pronounce it. You know what I'm talking about? The stuff that repels the bugs. The C word. You know what I'm talking about? I can't pronounce it, so I don't even want to try. But these apparently work, they help, and these last up to 300 hours. So I like that it comes with a little resealable bag in here. And I think these are just going to be really, really handy. I'm very excited, and I really, really hope these work, because I'm constantly getting attacked. Constantly getting attacked, and it's not fun. So I saw that she also placed me a mini Sephora order on things that I wanted. So I've got all the little Sephora samples in here. I've got Moroccan oil. What is this? Hold on. It's a fragrance, Moroccan oil. What is this? Okay, so it's just a moisturizer, just a little moisturizer. Can you see it? Is my light's too bright? This is going to be a very long video because I talk a lot, but that's what that is. And then I got the Murad Vita C Glycolic Brightening Serum. And then I believe this was part of 100 Point Perk. This is the Beauty Blender Pore Minimizing Primer. I haven't tried this out yet, so I'm hoping that I do like that, because who doesn't want pore minimizing products, primers? Yes, you know? And then she also got me with the 100 Point Perk. This is the Becca Hydro Mist Powder. So I'm really, really excited to try this because I've heard really good things about it. And the products that she got me, they're all from Kat Von D, which is KVD vegan. I know she changed her name, but this is the older stuff. This is from Kat Von D. But you know what I'm talking about. KVD? Yeah, okay. So this is the first one. I didn't swatch anything. I didn't do anything. I've just been really excited, and not being able to touch things drove me crazy. So this is the Everlasting Glimmer Veil, and this is in Rocker. So we're going to swatch things today. I like to smell things too. And I think this is the lip product, right? Yes, liquid lipstick. Oh, this is pretty. This is like a really, really nice orange red, and there's lots of shimmer in here. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't know the last time I bought a red lipstick, so I'm very, very excited. Very. And then the two liquid lipsticks that she got me, I'm so excited about. Okay, I'm just gonna pull both of them out, and then I will show and swatch it for you guys. So this one is Wolf, and then this one is Crucifix. These are perfect for fall. Literally so perfect. I've been looking for a perfect brown, and look at that. It's so pretty. It's just that perfect chocolatey brown. I'm so excited. And then this is a gray. I've always wanted a really, really nice gray. I had a gray from NYX, and it just slid everywhere. But look how pretty this is. I am so excited about using all of this stuff. Kind of overwhelmed, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm excited, I'm overwhelmed. And I always put things back, and I know that takes up so much time, so I'm sorry. Okay, and then she also sent me some face masks. These are so cute. You guys know I love face masks. Love face masks. So this one is Get Lit. It's a brightening sheet mask. This is cute. This packaging is so cute. This is Hangover SOS Deep Moisture Sheet Mask. Oh, this I may need, because right now I'm on retinol, so my skin is a little dry, so I'm looking for anything very hydrating and very gentle. So I think that one's going to be the best for me at this current moment. And this is Stone Cold Sober Clarifying Sheet Mask. This is cute. I'm excited. I am so excited. This box is almost done, and she also sent me some contacts. I always get my contacts through her, so that's not most exciting, so we just kind of blew past that, right? That makes sense. She also sent me two mascaras. She doesn't use mascara, but she got something and she said that I have some mascara coming my way, which is perfect because I am running low on mascara. So I really, really appreciate that. And these are both MAC. This is Extra Dimension. Hold on. Extra Dimension 3D Black Lash and then False Lashes. Oh, and these are full size. When she said that she was sending me the mascaras that she didn't want, I definitely didn't think they were going to be full sizes, because you know when you order things and they usually give you the little, you know, deluxe sizes or whatever, these are full sizes. So I am very, very excited to using this because you can never have enough mascara. Oh, okay, so this is already drying and it's a really, really nice burnt orange. It's not red. It went on red, but this is so pretty. Did you see that? I'm already loving that. Okay, and the last thing I'm also very, very excited about, I opened it already because I couldn't wait, is this cute little Adidas, well it's not little, but this cute Adidas fanny pack. It's all black, it's water resistant or water, I think it's waterproof, right? Water resistant, sorry. I don't know, but it's huge, it's perfect, it's so cute, I love it. I can fit so much in this. I was telling her that I was looking for a fanny pack for our drift events, and I got one from Morphe, but this one I'm not taking to the track. Absolutely not. This is way too nice. The track is just, track days I'm getting shot in the face with tire and all kinds of things, you know? So we're not taking our good stuff over there so it can get destroyed and ruined. We're using our clear Morphe. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk. But I really hope this video wasn't super long. I'm very excited. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much, Neha. I appreciate it. And I can finally now use everything because I've been waiting for the second snack box to come so I can film this for you guys before I wanted to just dig in and use everything. So now everything is here. I'm going to end this video. I'm probably gonna make some ramen, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Neha. I appreciate it. Love you. And please subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video.